Hey, what's up YouTube and TikTok? So I wanted to create this video because I saw another video of this guy generating a minimal password generator in C, and this one we're going to do a enterprise grade password generator in PowerShell. So we just need to create a little function up here called I don't know, we can call it anything. Generate a secure password turkey, like this. And for the parameters, it's just going to be an int, and it's going to be 16 characters long. We're going to do int, the length 16. And so we need to set up our little password right here, and we need to do a little loop. And it's going to be, let me see, so for I equals 0, it's going to be less than the length, I plus plus, and okay, let me just close out this shit so I don't confuse myself. Okay. All right, so inside the for loop here, we need to get our memory address. And so we're going to be using, I think it's system, runtime, Marshall, and we're going to be using alloc h global. And it's just going to be, we're just going to be passing 1 to it. And if we print this, and okay, so we got the memory addresses right here, right? Okay, so we need to XOR 3 sources and create our little entropy stuff. And this is where the magic happens. So hopefully you guys are still with me. So you want to just do E, and then we can do get random, and then we can XOR it with that memory address, and we need to put that into an int 64. And then we can XOR that puppy with date time, and we can use now. Okay, so we can use now.txt for that. All right, you can free that memory right there if you want. You can call free h global, but we don't really need to do that for this tutorial. All right, so for P here, we need to map our entropy to some ASCII characters. And so we're just gonna do char like this, and it's gonna be a range from like 33 to 126, I believe. So 33 plus and we use a modulus right here to 94. And all right, so let's save this puppy, right? All right, now let's run this guy. Let's see what we get. Ah, shit, we don't get nothing. Oh, fuck. Oh, my bad. Okay, we need to return the P here. Okay. All right, you guys ready? 3, 2, 1. Look at our passwords. Enterprise grade passwords, baby. Go, 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 go. What is it? F5? F5. Boom, 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 boom. All right. Thanks for watching, everybody. Hopefully you found this useful. Let me know if you guys use this in production. Have a good day.